Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. So for today's video, I will show you how to delete user from your Netflix account. So let's get started. First of all, you should go to your Netflix account, open your account like this. And after opening your account, you just need to click on your profile icon on the top right of the screen. And after that, you click Manage Profiles. But a little information: to delete the user, you must not be using this user. For example, I want to delete Test. I should not be using Test as my main profile or my main user. I'm using Ahmed and I want to delete Test profile. So I click Manage Profiles, and after that I click on the pen which is you can find it on the icon of the profile that you want to delete. I click on it, and from the bottom of the page I have delete profile. As you can see, delete profile. I click on it, and after that you just need to confirm and click on delete profile again, and like that the profile will be deleted in just a few seconds. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section. And until the next video, I can say goodbye.